Alright, I finished polishing these leg pieces here with all the brass decoration, and I'm going to rivet the parts together now and mark the inside, and I'm going to use brass rivets with washers. So, like this. I'm going to cut them short, not too short because they have to articulate, but short so they don't stick out too much. I also try to make sure there's no burrs on it. So I want to get enough of a head on here that it doesn't come off, but I don't want to make it too tight. So it's kind of a fine line there. It'll loosen up over time too, but yeah, so that's the idea there. Gotta do the same for the other side. This is the time-consuming part. Well, everything for making armor is time-consuming. Cut it short. Yeah, these are just decorative legs, so they're not really heavy duty. They're not designed for fighting. These are more for performance, for theater or movies and television. You know, just performance. So they articulate the same, but just because it's made out of aluminum, it's not as heavy duty. This one's a little bit stiff, it'll work itself out. And then I gotta rivet on the crease part. That'll be next.